Hi guys. Okay, like I explained in the last video, I want to do every Monday from now on an update video about what I'm going to do this week, at least what I'm trying to do this week. And for example, I have the explaining about the blog and the web shop and stuff like that. I already filmed it, it's already up, you can go watch it. I also want to do a tutorial Tuesday every week, every Tuesday of course. And I also want to do 2 soap bars. I already made them. I have a rosemary soap bar and a cucumber soap bar. This one is really made with real cucumber and this one is really made with rosemary. So we're going to make those. They're fine. Okay, so I also want to make a bodysuit. I want to make this small one in white fabric. I already actually made it, so I'm sure these will be on this week on my TikTok, my YouTube and my blog. I also want to make this one, but without the sleeves and one kind of with a ruffle, a lacy ruffle side. So I still have to make it, so I hope I can do it this week. What I also want to do is making an XXL scrunchie tutorial on the blog, on YouTube, on TikTok and everything. And I think... Oh, and I want to make some zodiac bookmarks. So I will show you. Okay, so I have, how do I show this? 3 options. And I'm going to make, with my Cricut machine, something zodiac inspired. I'm not sure if I want to do all the zodiacs in one, or if I want like Gemini and Taurus and stuff separately. I'm not sure yet, but I want to do that. I'm also going to make like a little bow or maybe something like this on the end, and I am going to sell it in my Etsy. So yeah, that's the plan this week. We have 2 soap bars, 2 bodies, 1 bookmark, and the XXL scrunchie. I'm also going to do a shop update on Thursday, and we're going to do the Tuesday tarot. So yeah. If you want to follow me for those, you can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube and my blog.